This is St. Charlestein from SC Studios LLC, and I'm going to show you a new tool that I've been making lately. I got asked to make this as a custom tool. It's a granulation shear, and what it does is it cuts little bits of wire in the same lengths repetitively. So basically what we've got here is where you feed in the wire through this little hole. It's hardened tool steel, as is the cutting blade. The hole is 63 thousandths, which is 14 gauge, so you can fit in, this is 15 gauge copper wire here. This is 57 thousandths. I think that's about the capacity that it will go to. Back here what we've got is an adjustable kickstop. What this does is you can adjust this to different lengths of wire, lock it in place, and then as you feed your wire through, what happens is it hits the kickstop. You can see this one's pretty tight. It hits the kickstop there. You come down, chop off your wire, kickstop moves out of place, it goes down the chute into the little removable dish. That way you could cut multiple pieces of wire to the same length. I would say the size range on this, the sweet spot is probably 16 to 26 gauge. This is 24 gauge right here, and this cuts it really nice and easy. It will go up to say 30 gauge if with just a little bit of work here. So if you want to cut thinner wire, what happens is that the size of the wire is so small that it naturally just wants to bend over. This is 28 gauge here, but if you put a little bit of pressure on this side and a little bit pressure pushing that way, it chops it very nicely. Oops. And it's got holes to mount, and if you mount it down to a desk or workshop or whatever, workbench, then you don't have to push this way, you just need to put a little bit of pressure going that way, and it slices it right off. Anyways, this is Granulation Guillotine, and it will be available on my website, metalsmithing-tools.com. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or things you'd like me to talk about in the future. Have a nice day.